Hi everyone, so today's video is about the kindness one of the other YouTube creators has shown me. So this is Ian Matthews. Now Ian lives further up the country than me here in England, and he's been kindly collecting some metal stock for me, and on Saturday I got up early and had a little drive up to his place to collect them and have my first face-to-face chat with Ian, which was really good. He's a very nice man. So this is here an updated sticker. So we have a bit of a joke about that. Ian, due to work commitments, doesn't always get them sent out on time, so I was pretty lucky to have this one. So I've got one of the original ones on sticker board number 1, so I'll put this one on number 2. So anyway, let me just move the camera and I'll show you the goodies that Ian was kindly donated to the channel. Thank you. Clean room door open, not good. Anyway, here we go. Let me get down on the floor. So what we got is lots of round stock here. You can see some of it up to about 60mm, and they're probably 300mm long. So various stuff. We've got some square stock, got a giant bit of square stuff here. Didn't think I was going to make it up the stairway with that. And some square tubing and just general angle stuff, so that's again really good. So extremely grateful Ian for that, and it was nice to have a chat. It was really good. Hopefully I didn't overstay my welcome. So we got lots of stock. We can definitely put the 𝗪𝗔𝗡𝗢𝗥 to put it through its paces, so I will make a video trying to see how it performs with various different types of metal. I need to sort of catalogue all this and get as much as I can into sorted orders with these blue bins. So yeah, it really is very kind of Ian. And let me just put you back on the tripod and I'll show you one other thing. Okay, so in addition to another sticker for the sticker board, Ian kindly gave me a channel mug, so that'll be very useful for visitors to the Knacklers workshop. So just in summary, it was extremely kind of Ian to give me all this metal, and it will make a tremendous difference because I think, as we all know, it's quite expensive. So yeah, thanks for that, Ian. If you want to go over and have a look at Ian's channel, he does a lot of scrapping or recycling, which is again, it's been I think I mentioned this before, it's a good education on where you can find material for your workshop at a good price. But Ian's also got tucked away in this shed a 𝗫𝗪𝗔𝗡𝗪 and also a milling machine. So what I'll do is I'll put those they're in playlists, so I'll put the playlists in the video description, so you can go over and check out the machines Ian's got, and he was telling me he hopes to get to use them when he gets his shed cleared out. He did give me one other really cool thing, and what I'm going to do is save that for the 𝗪𝗪𝗔𝗡𝗪𝗔, so I'll show you on that one. Okay, well, thanks for watching, everyone. As always, stay happy, strong and healthy, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheerio.